Hi, thank you so much for joining me for this video. I am Kasia. I am 33 years old, 34 in a couple days, and I manage dental clinics in Chicago area. I have been using the Happy Planner since July of 2019, and it has transformed my life. I am now living intentionally and planning for every aspect of my life versus just letting it happen. I bring my planner to work and it keeps pulse on my wellness. I'm writing all of my feelings down, so it's almost like my therapist. And I wouldn't have been able to survive the COVID with peace of mind the way I did with my planner. It allowed me to see what's in my control in a very, very creative way. I was alone in this apartment for 2 months. You could probably go crazy. So I am a great addition to the Happy Planner Squad as I already love the community and live the Happy Planner way. Thank you so much for watching.